homies, we tied it in the club. We chop a lot of game, that's how we do it at the Players Club.
Jump the pool or kick it in the tub, cause we keep much ass at the Players Club.
I got a hoe named Real DeReal. She got a buddy named SB12. Now you know the deal. We get freaky in the studio late night. That's why the beats that you hear coming real tight. Something to roll to, something to stroll to. If you's a player in the game, this'll hold you. More money for the bankroll. Stick to the script, don't slip in the 9-4. A lot of fools put salt in the game to where these women get the notion that they running the game. I run my own and I'm my own self person. No respect make the situation worsen. Feel more HP than Sunnydale. There's a Players Club everywhere you dwell. Lakeview, PH, and Army Street. A different part of town, a different kind of freak. I just wiggle my toes on a mink rug and press play on remote at the Players Club. Me and my homies, we tied it in the club. We chop a lot of game, that's how we do it at the Players Club.
Jump the pool or kick it in the tub, cause we keep much ass at the Players Club.
More champagne, Mr. Forte.
From day one I had to get my money right. Me flying Frankie J, we took an airplane flight. They wanted to hear rap, I said I bet. We dropped the beat, I grabbed the mic and then they wrote a check. A few G's for the pocket, no hesitation. Took a flight back to the Golden State and shops made orders from a whole new capital. The word was getting out, Forte's out rappable. Don't need a Glock but I bought one just in case sucker try to stop me from pursuing my paper chase. So the chase is on because it don't stop. I got the beat, I got the rap, you make the block pop. So the treacherous, the suckers keep the sweaters on the bag. Then by the way, just in case you never heard rapping Forte, I'm on a smooth tip. Never tripping, suckers popping off the clip. I pop the top off the jack, goes to the glow. We got it at the house, let's pop it. Kick off your shoes, relax and get a body rub. And shoot your mackin' at these women at the Players Club. Me and my homies, we tied it in the club. We chop a lot of game, that's how we do it at the Players Club.
Jump the pool or kick it in the tub, cause we keep much ass at the Players Club.
You can't resist it, but don't get it twisted. VIP, that means the number's not listed. Membership is based on clout and how you carry yourself. Now homie, what you all about? I stack paper and kick it with the OGs. Some got a 9 to 5, some took a lot of keys. You can learn a whole lot from a player. A lot of these players make a damn good rhyme sayer. A lot of people get a misconception and start drifting in the wrong direction. Miss Goody Two Shoe, I'll see you later. I ain't got time, you ain't nothing but a player hater. I'd rather kick it with the crew and